What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today you join me on an exciting adventure. That is right, me and the dog, we're going out of our comfort zone and leaving Devon, and we are going somewhere called Rockwood, which is just near Bournemouth or Southampton, that neck of the woods, because we are on the hunt for a new engine for the Bmw E46. Now, you may be asking, why am I buying an engine when it only has a misfire? Well, let me tell you why. The engine, the state it's in, the previous owner, and how all I've done is taken the intake manifold off, the inlet manifold off, and I can already see how bodged it is. And I found out that he supposedly done the head gasket on it, and you know, I just don't want to invest money in injectors to get it to stop the misfire, for it then to have a knocky engine and having to put more money into it. So I found this engine for a super good deal. I've seen it running. I'll update you as we go. I've only just left, so we've got, I don't know, arriving at 10 o'clock and it is 8:15 now, so it's not too bad of a journey. So I'm just gonna update you as you go. I'm gonna put some tunes on and relax. Love a bit of countryside, me. Love a little bit. Oh, we've got to be going to the left here, boys. So we can do this turn one-handed. Look at it, beautiful. It is official, boys. There she is. Goodbye, Devon. Hello, Dorset. It's official. We've left Devon and now we are foreigners. I don't know where we are. Charmouth Bypass is where we are. And if I had a nice camera, you'd be able to see how beautiful that is. But I don't. So you've got to experience it through this sort of view. As much as I would enjoy an A road, being a 70-mile-an-hour road, the van does not. Look, we are doing 55 mile an hour at, well, 2600 RPM. We are going up a slight incline, but still, the van revs like absolute balls. The ratios in this gearbox are horrendous. Why did they put such box in this van? I have no idea. But if I was to go, look, get it up to 70 or 60, that's the speed limit. 60 mile an hour, and we're near enough at 2800 RPM. Absolute joke. This final gear is horrendous. Some more scenery shots. Oh yes, love it. Let's talk about this engine, why I want to do an engine swap in the BMW, even though the car has got an engine and it does run. Like I said, I don't want to be investing money. A brand new injector for that E46, if you don't know, is about £150. And that's not for a OE one, that's just an eBay Bosch refurbed one. So I haven't looked into the pricing, but if it needs, apparently the bloke who had it before, my neighbour, he's done a leak down test on all the injectors, and he said 3 or 4 of them were bad. I don't trust his word, to be honest, but I do know that the car does not run right, and you can tell, and it's just leaking oil everywhere. It's got 209,000 miles on it. I don't trust his mechanical skills, even though I know I'm not the best, but I'd rather just have a fresh unit that I know. I've seen it running, it runs lush, really smooth, as it should. So yeah, I'm getting it fully complete, minus the turbo, which is fine because obviously the turbo works on ours, on mine, not ours, could be yours. So yeah, that's why I'm picking the, I don't know if I told you the price or not, but I am picking this engine up hopefully for £500. And yes, I know I bought the car for £500. Hang on, there's a camera here. yeah, I know I bought the car for £500, but the way I see it is I'll have a 330D E46 Touring for £1,000. So if you don't know the market for them at the moment, they roughly go for about, a cheap one would be about £1,500, £1,700, and that's like ropey as fuck. So this one's no rust on it, no body rot, no underneath rot. You know, it's got decent parts and stuff on it. Oh, speed camera. Look at them, little bastards. Just sat there in their van. Good job we weren't speeding, boys. Just had a camera out. But hey. So, yeah, I'm going to put this down because there seems to be a lot of police. We're in Bridport. We're just driven into Bridport. Really nice. Some dodgy little parking spot. I'm just going to let the dog out for a minute because we are an hour in. So I'm going to let the dog sniff around and have a piss. Wait. Next to a road, mate. So get fucking... Let the dog out. Let him have a sniff. I don't trust the van, so I'm leaving it on for a minute. But yeah, really nice place to be, guys. Even though I am just on the side of a road. I'll let him do his business and then we'll be back on the way. Look at the van, absolute wagon. Right, boys, we are 3.3 miles away and we are in, well, pretty much near Rockwood. One thing, oh, actually, the fuel is expensive up here. 174, I think, the highest I've seen it, and the lowest is about 178. The dog is all good. We're about 7 minutes away. Happy days. Oh look, John Deere. Nah, we won't have some of that. Like my dad says, if it ain't red, leave it in the fucking shed. Let's get this engine. Right then, boys, engine is acquired. You can see her in the back there. I don't know if you can see or not. But we have a brand new, well, new to me engine for the E46 estate. Now I was going to film when I got there, trying to make excuses. I was a bit scared, but I was going to film. But they just wanted to get it done. Didn't really want to chat, so that's that. Is what it is. But yeah, engine looks clean. I'm a bit worried I didn't strap it down because it's an absolute beast. We're gonna have fun trying to get it out of the shed. That is, well, get it out of the van into the shed. That is for sure. I'm coming up to a roundabout, so I'll make this quick. On our way back now. It is 11:30. We should be home at 1:37, and then we'll continue this when we're back in the shed. I'm gonna get some food, get home, and try and get this beast out. Swing it there. This could be a very expensive mistake. She's out. Join us right in the action. Oh god. I don't know where to fucking put this tyre. For fuck's sake, I don't know. else could I put it on? Made it. Oh! Oh! She's down! There's no slack on that bitch. Oh, it's done. It's out. It's not moving anywhere. How wobbly is that? Oh, it's pretty wobbly, but don't worry about that for now. She is out. The BMW M57 is out, and I don't know if you could tell that I was very stressed. I don't know if it recorded actually. I haven't looked through the footage, but yeah, she's out. She's currently sat on some tyres. It is a little bit, well, I don't know, she ain't going anywhere. I will, yeah, it can't obviously sit there forever, but till I sort something out, it'll be fine there for a minute. I need to tape up the exhaust ports. I think that's part of, I don't know if I told you or not, but part of the reason why the engine was so cheap is because it didn't have the turbo. But obviously we've got the turbo still in the E46 outside, so I'm not worried about that. But yeah, this whole engine complete, if you want to call it complete. I still think it's complete. Still got all the injectors, the intake manifold. It's got an EGR kit, delete kit on it. All the wiring looms still intact. They bagged it all up to all the ends, so it's just literally going to be get the old one out of the box and slap this one in. That is going to be the end of the video. Like I said, we've got it home, and we've got it in the shed, so happy days. Don't expect to see it put in the car anytime soon, but we've got an engine for it, so happy days. Anyway, I'm off home, get some dinner. I'll see you guys in the next video. And I've been counting down